what's up guys? Welcome to the video. So today we're going to take a look at a Paul Gilbert inspired lick. You know, he's an extremely talented alternate picker, if you can call someone that, I guess, but he's really good at just blazing those scales out, and I absolutely love that sound. He's a very clean player as well. He's just overall an awesome guitar player. Now I'm just going to show you the lick and we're going to take a look at the taps. So let's do it. So what's very cool about this pattern is that if you look at how the scale is running up and down, it's actually only two different positions you kind of like have to do with your fingers. Let's take a look at the taps and see how the scale goes, because this is going to make much more sense when you see the taps, because it's pretty much the same pattern up and down the scale. You only have two switches. Up to speed. You can always break the scale at any point where you wanna phrase it out and go into something else. I really love like adding this fast scale run at the end of a solo or start a solo in this very fast scale. I really hope you guys liked the video. If you did, please leave a like. Also, please check out some of the other courses I uploaded here on the channel, and I'll see you next time. Have an awesome day, guys. Subscribe for more.